Hey guys, welcome to Montavue. Today we are going to be doing an information and demonstration video for the MTT8108-AISMDAD. So MTT, it is a Montavue turret camera. 8108, the first 8 is going to be 8 megapixel or 4K resolution, and 108 is the field of view, so 108 degrees. AISMD, those essentially do the same function, but that stands for Artificial Intelligence Smart Motion Detect. Essentially what that is that's the camera's ability to distinguish between humans and vehicles versus everything else. The idea here is to eliminate false notifications, so it's really helpful in that aspect. So the final 2 letters in the model name are AD, so this stands for Active Deterrence. The Active Deterrence features on this camera are pretty unique for this model alone, and what they are a built-in siren, a strobe light, and then of course 2-way audio. So it's got a microphone right here under the lens, and it's got a speaker just on top. Right now we're going to demonstrate the 2-way audio function. So I've actually set up one of these cameras downstairs with Blake in the tech support line, so I'm going to give you a little demo on Montavue Go here, how the 2-way audio works. So first thing is, you just start Montavue Go and then get to the live screen, and then I'll show you guys what that looks like here. Alright, we'll patch this in through the 2-way audio, and looks like he might be on a phone call. Hey Blake, can you hear me? Just testing the 2-way audio here.
Yeah, you can use our cameras for live streaming, church service, wildlife cameras. Yeah, OnlyFans would work too. Maybe loud and clear, Peyton.
Cool, man. Thanks, Blake. Of course, that was in a close quarters environment. However, they do work just as well outside, mounted to your front door of your home or your office. So it works either way. The Active Deterrence Turret camera is an IP67 rated camera, which means that it is dustproof or waterproof. You can mount this indoors or outdoors. It can be in the direct rain, sunlight, whatever. Keep in mind your guys' cords are not going to be waterproof, so do your best to protect these from the elements. In addition to being waterproof and dustproof, the camera also has an operating temperature range of 140 degrees Fahrenheit to negative 40 degrees Fahrenheit. So it can take some really cold colds and some really hot hots. Alright guys, so the last feature I want to talk about today is going to be the infrared LED light that is built into this camera. It sits right up here next to the strobe, and when it is active, it will give off a soft red glow at night. When you are looking at the footage for this camera and the infrared's active, it is going to be in black and white, and your distance is going to be about 120 feet. To get detailed objects though, or faces, you're probably looking at about anywhere in the 60 to 80 foot range. So just keep that in mind when you're kind of setting these up for nighttime view. The camera does have starlight, so it will be able to see in full color if there's limited availability for light. However, if it is pitch black, the sensors will read that and kick it into 100% infrared. I have come up with a little bit of a demonstration video for you guys to show you kind of what the infrared looks like at night, also how it works in tandem with tripwires and the active deterrence features for this camera. So we'll just get right into that.
All right, let's go to the back door.
Try it, give it a try, try it.
Go! Get out of here! Go!
So as you can see, the camera works really well as far as the active deterrence features and with the night vision. So that's going to be all for today. So if you guys have any questions about this, please visit our website or call our customer service line. The guys are always available to answer any questions you have, big or small. And we are going to be looking forward to be putting out more videos like this for the rest of our camera lineup. So keep an eye out for those in the coming weeks and months. Thanks for joining us here at Montavue, and have a good day.